Hello again and welcome to our tutorial on how to add a product to your Shop.Pro personalized shop. So let's say that you've set up your shop and now you're ready to begin adding new products or editing the existing ones. This particular tutorial will show you how to do that, and of course the first thing you have to do is you have to log in through your administration panel to the back office of your store. Once you've logged in to the back office, you have to click Catalog and then you have to click Products. You will be able to see a list of all the products which are of interest to you. And now let's just pick one of the products. Let's say we're going to pick the MacBook. If I want to find a MacBook a lot easier, assuming that I have a lot of other products in my store, I just click Filter, I enter the name of the product, and then I see all the products which match those elements, those filters that I've set up. And I just click the Edit button here. This is the title, and you can see that now I can edit the title, I can edit the description, and this information of course appears in the product page. If I open this product page, I will be able to see the title of the product and the description, as well as specification information and eventual reviews from other people. Of course, the most important thing also for search engine optimization is the meta tag title. You want to keep the meta tag title so other engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo will be able to easily find and track your products. There's also a description which you can enter in keywords. For instance, if I want to sell summer shoes, I would just enter summer and shoes as proper keywords. Now let's just do that for all the other languages. And then once we have done it, let's change title to MacBook One. Once we click Save, those changes are being reflected in the product instantly, and all the users who will be accessing the page will be able to see the MacBook One showing up on that particular page. Let's edit the product again, and this time let's change the product name but also change the image of the product. Remember that you have to specify the name and the description for each of the languages which are actually accessible in your store. Now let's go to data, and clicking the image will actually show the image prompt. And now let's choose an image from the media library, just like we discussed with categories. Your media library is an actual virtual folder in your store which allows you to select images and upload images of your own. So if I select the Apple logo there, I can also define the quantity, which tells me that there are 929 products in total. And of course, there is also an element that says subtract stock, which asks you if you wish the quantity to drop every time a purchase is being made. And of course, if the product requires shipping, you have to specify this option right here. And there is also an SEO URLs. SEO comes from search engine optimization, the same optimization as before with the Google and Bing and Yahoo engines. You can also specify shipping dimensions, and you can specify the weight, and you can of course get proper fees for transport through the UPS system. Alright, so with that being said, we're not going to talk about a lot of other things, but we will talk about the manufacturer. We can just specify a manufacturer right here. You can specify a category right here. If I want to add components, I just click components from the category list and it shows up here. And if I want to remove it, I just click the minus button and it gets removed. It's just that easy. And of course I can define different attributes which will show under the various items of interest in the actual store. And I can define various other options which we will be discussing in greater detail in one of our next videos. The only option we'll be talking about right now is the ability to add further images, and you can do this right here in the image tab. You can define new images to add or just remove the existing images if you don't like them. The sort order of course defines the order in which these images are appearing whenever the customer clicks your product. So if I click save right now, the change will be instantly available to all users. And here it is, the logo has changed, and now I can see the Apple logo instead of the actual product logo that I've seen before. Needless to say, the same procedure applies for when you wish to add a new product. It's the exact same thing. You just click add new, and then you just filter and enter all this information just as we have shown before. And your product, of course, will appear in a proper category, and it will show up in the page that you wish. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.